Welcome to the channel. Ready to upgrade your outdoor setup? We've got the top 60 camping gadgets that will change the way you travel. Let's dive in. Starting strong with this genius folding stove. It packs down to the size of a water bottle but unfolds into a beast. The ultimate space saver. Next up, the most affordable tent on the list. It's minimalism at its peak, literally just a stick and a tarp. Perfect for ultralight travel. You can see the quality difference right away. This tent is perfectly adapted for the elements, offering the reliability every camper dreams of. It's not just a tent, it's a fortress. Hate the idea of showering in public? Problem solved. This tent features a private shower zone so you can clean up without worrying about unwanted spectators. Clean water is rule number one of survival. With this purification device, you never have to worry about your supply. It filters out the bad stuff, giving you unlimited hydration and total peace of mind. Talk about being prepared for anything. This compact powerhouse packs a punch. A bright flashlight, a reliable lighter, and even a mini flamethrower. It's the ultimate EDC essential for every camper. You don't need luxury to be happy. Just a warm tent, a crackling stove, a friend to talk to, and a happy dog. This is the definition of winter therapy. There's an art to setting up camp properly. Watch the tension, the alignment, and the speed. This is the definition of a perfect pitch. Honestly satisfying to watch. The wildest tent on wheels I've ever seen. This design is just wow. Meet the transformer of camping gear. It's not just a shovel. It's an axe, a saw, and a hammer all in one. 100% essential. Roughing it? Not with this. Hands down the most comfortable tent on the market. You'll sleep like a baby. Stop balancing food on your lap. This transformer tabletop creates a perfect workspace instantly. This is portable grilling redefined. It folds flat just like a notebook. Simply slide it out, fire it up, and fold it away when you're done. Ultimate convenience in a slim profile. These aren't just containers, they are multi-tools for water. Super convenient, rugged, and ready to play multiple roles at camp. Redefining mobility. This mattress is so light you'll forget you're even carrying it. Pure ultralight magic. The ultimate transformer board. It shifts from a simple seat to a chair and table combo instantly. Pure genius. Give the kids their own VIP zone. This mini tent is safe, fun, and super convenient. A total parenting win. The toughest light in the game. Dunk it in water or drop it. It keeps shining. Plus, you can wear it, clip it, or hang it anywhere. The world's most portable stove. Warm hands, hot tea, anywhere you go. This claims the title of the world's most convenient table for a reason. Storage, prep space, hooks, it's all here. It keeps everything within arm's reach, turning chaos into perfect order. This transformation is crazy. He used simple, cheap stuff to upgrade this mattress into a luxury bed. Total budget win. Don't let the size fool you. This compact bag swallows your heater and camping essentials with room to spare. The ultimate organizer. This setup redefines the camping experience. It's spacious, plush, and incredibly easy to handle solo. Seeing this, you realize you don't need a house to be comfortable, just the right gear. I'd happily spend a whole summer in that tent. Stop sleeping on rocks and sticks. This gadget clears your tent site instantly, giving you a smooth, clean surface. Essential prep. Why sit in the pitch black? With this LED strip, you can transform your campsite into a festival. Instant holiday mood, anywhere. Who said setting up has to be hard? Just look at this. Effortless inflation means you get to the fun part faster. Turn your car into a mobile home instantly. The integrated design opens up an insane amount of space. She fits easily, and there's still room for a party. Why pack a tent when you can bring the whole house? This beast is built for serious adventures. It has everything you need to disappear into nature for weeks without sacrificing a single comfort. Why carry heavy gear when your car can do it for you? These integrated beds slide out smoothly, holding any weight effortlessly. Smart and strong. Camping isn't just for land anymore. This foldable boat opens up a whole new world to explore. No trailer needed, just unpack and paddle. Protect your food with armor. This case is so strong, it instantly transforms into a camp seat. Storage meets seating. Instant dining room. This clever set unfolds into a table and seats for everyone. Simple, effective, essential. The heart of every campsite is the fire. This collapsible grill sets up in seconds to feed the whole crew. Compact, sturdy, and absolutely essential for that open fire flavor. Never run out of battery again. This portable panel turns sunlight into free electricity for your phone. Set it up and let nature do the work. Simple, comfy, perfect, the ultimate spot to chill. Don't let a storm ruin your catch. This gear keeps you bone dry whether you're fishing or hiking through a downpour. Pure waterproof magic. Who says camping gear has to be boring? This wooden gas stove adds a touch of class to your outdoor kitchen. Cook in style. No more waking up on the cold ground. This air mattress is built to last and keeps its shape all night. A true camping classic. The future of relaxation. This isn't just a lounger, it's a high-tech marvel that fits in the palm of your hand. Unfold the comfort anywhere. Power and light in your pocket. A portable power bank with built-in LEDs. Super handy. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. This massive power station keeps your entire camp running for a week. Laptops, phones, lights, it handles it all. Your car stays behind, but your gear comes with you. These heavy-duty wheels handle any terrain, making your hike to the spot effortless. Your back will thank you. It's all about the engineering. This tent is designed for a hassle-free build. Everything snaps into place perfectly, giving you a massive living space without the massive headache. Hot meals on the go. This insulated jar uses a special thermal coating to trap heat inside. No more cold lunches in the wild. The ultimate ring bottle. A unique circular design that's incredibly easy to carry anywhere. Turn your campsite into a luxury spa. This steam-integrated mattress is pure heaven. Why go home when you can relax like this? Built for the storm. This shield protects you from the harshest weather. Stay dry, stay safe. Ditch the bulky grills. This clever design folds flat, but holds a heavy-duty grate for the perfect sear. Don't just hide from the sun, beat it. This cooling umbrella creates your own personal AC zone wherever you go. Pure summer bliss. Version 2 is here. More power, more chill. The ultimate upgrade for the hottest days. The ultimate prep station for the wild. This high-performance cooler box doesn't just hold ice for days, it doubles as a clean workspace for your outdoor meals. No more searching for a flat surface. Stop carrying extra gear. This integrated stove and griddle set is all you need for a perfect camp breakfast. Heavy-duty, compact, and ready to sizzle. Light up the night like it's day. This heavy-duty portable lamp is as stylish as it is strong, perfect for the site or the campsite. Don't get caught off guard. This portable toilet is small enough for your car but strong enough when you need it most. Essential for long trips. Stop huffing and puffing. This ultralight mattress inflates in seconds and weighs almost nothing in your pack. Dreamy comfort anywhere. Power in your pocket. A tiny convenient stove that's ready to cook anywhere. What if your batteries die? This multi-tool is your insurance policy. From cutting to building, it does it all without a single wire. Never miss a catch again. This telescopic rod folds down in seconds, so you can keep it in your backpack or glove box. Always be ready for the water. Stop wasting time with pumps and poles. This tent deploys with just a flick of the wrist. It's literally built in seconds, so you can start relaxing immediately. Why sleep on the ground when you can bring the whole living room? This inflatable suite comes with everything built in. Just pump it up and relax in total comfort. Collapsible shower holds enough for a full scrub down. Perfect for cleaning gear, boots, or yourself after a long day. Bring the kitchen to the wild. This electric pump turns any water container into a real sink. Battery-powered, simple, and incredibly handy for any site. The ultimate blend of fashion and function. This portable gas range features a high-output burner and a sleek, industrial design. It's perfect for anyone who wants professional cooking power without sacrificing style. This is the peak of outdoor luxury. By miniaturizing the essential morning ritual, these devices provide a high-end culinary experience in any environment. No electricity needed. Just clever design providing the perfect crunch and a rich crema, miles away from the nearest kitchen. Pocket-sized fire. An absolute beast of a flamethrower that fits in your hand. Look at that power. Turn your car into a bedroom. This custom mattress covers every inch for a perfect night's sleep. Want more? Subscribe. Thanks for watching.